Did dodgeball really get hacked, bro? How does dodgeball get hacked, bro? Rec Room dodgeball gets hacked, bro? How did Rec Room dodgeball get hacked, bro? What? Bro, look, proof right here. Dodgeball. Was it just one server?
Game on.
Why am I in with this kid?
Bro, what happened last server, bro? Dodgeball got hats last server, bro. What the heck? What was that? I'd never seen that.
Ready to start.
I'm gonna keep going until I find the dodgeball server. No, I'm finding that, bro.